The 2026 Nissan Sentra, in white, arrives with a fresh look, improved technology, and a more comfortable driving experience, making it a sedan that clearly shows how the company has elevated this model from a basic budget car to a smarter, more modern family sedan. In white, its design appears cleaner, more refined, and more prominent, especially with the updated front grille, sharper body lines, and LED lights that give it a strong and attractive appearance. In the United States, this 2026 model is considered an excellent choice for young drivers, families, and daily commuters because of its low price, good fuel economy, and reliable performance. If we talk about price, the 2026 Nissan Sentra in white is available in the US at a very competitive rate. The base model is priced lower than many competitors, yet the company has upgraded the design, engine, safety features, and technology significantly. This price advantage is a major plus point, especially when other brands are increasing prices in the same segment. Even with the low cost, Nissan has given the white paint a deeper shine that stands out beautifully in daylight and under streetlights at night. It gives the car a clean, modern, and professional look. From the outside, the 2026 Sentra feels sportier compared to previous models. The front bumper is wider, the LED headlights are sharper, and the side profile now features a fastback-like design that gives the car a more expensive character. In white, these design elements become even more noticeable because the chrome accents, black grille, and shaded windows form a perfect contrast. At the rear, the updated LED tail lamps, redesigned bumper, and slightly sporty styling give it a strong presence among the 2026 sedans. Once inside, the 2026 Sentra presents a completely new atmosphere. The dashboard has been entirely redesigned. The 12.3-inch digital display, modern infotainment screen, and improved interior materials make the cabin feel more premium. Once inside, the 2026 Sentra presents a completely new atmosphere. The dashboard has been entirely redesigned. The 12.3-inch digital display, modern infotainment screen, and improved interior materials make the cabin feel more premium. With the white exterior, the combinations of gray, black, or beige interior colors also look elegant. The cabin is more spacious than before, the seats are more comfortable, and the material quality in the door panels and center console has been improved. Despite all these upgrades, the car remains affordable compared to most competitors, making it especially attractive for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of technology, Nissan has equipped this model with its latest systems. It includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless connectivity, USB-C ports, voice control, and an improved sound system. The digital gauge cluster shows speed, fuel, safety alerts, and drive modes in a clean and easy-to-read format. The car also offers remote start, push-button start, climate control, and smart entry features usually found in more expensive cars. With the white exterior, this modern and clean interior creates a perfect combination. The engine performance has also been improved in the 2026 Sentra. The 2.0-liter petrol engine provides solid power in its class, while the CVT transmission makes city and highway driving smoother. One of Sentra's strongest qualities has always been its fuel economy, and the 2026 model maintains and even enhances this reputation. The car is light, comfortable, and fuel efficient, making it ideal for everyday commuting. The white color also helps keep the car cooler in sunny climates, making the white Sentra more practical in warmer regions. For safety, the 2026 Sentra brings a strong package. Nissan Safety Shield technology includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert. This shows Nissan hasn't made any compromises, even in an affordable sedan. The white color also enhances visibility at night, reducing the risk of accidents, making it a safer option. The driving experience of the 2026 Sentra is noticeably improved. The suspension absorbs road imperfections more effectively, the steering feels lighter and more responsive, and noise insulation has been upgraded to make the cabin quieter. On long trips, the car remains comfortable, and its fuel efficiency helps reduce travel expenses. Although it is not a sporty car, it still provides safe, stable, and smooth driving for everyday use. In the US, the biggest attraction of the 2026 Nissan Sentra in white is its price. At a time when most brands are raising prices for their 2026 models, Nissan has kept the Sentra within a range that does not burden the buyer's budget. This low price can be a deciding factor for many people, considering the modern technology, premium design, strong fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features included. The resale value of the white Sentra is also generally better, as white cars sell more easily in the US market. For future buyers, the 2026 Nissan Sentra in white stands as a strong option. If someone wants a low-cost car with good features, a modern interior, beautiful design, and impressive fuel economy, this model provides complete satisfaction. In white, the car appears clean, elegant, and suitable for every environment. Whether you use it for daily office travel, long trips, or simply want a low-maintenance, modern sedan, this vehicle performs reliably in all situations. The 2026 Sentra in white offers a balanced combination of price, style, technology, and performance that is rare in its segment. Nissan proves with this model that a modern, well-equipped sedan doesn't have to be expensive. The white color enhances its premium look, stable performance, and overall appeal, making it one of the best budget sedans of 2026. This is a car designed to stay reliable for years, and its white color makes its personality even stronger and more noticeable.